Hi, I'm Mickey Nguyen. I am the CMO here at Genoxus Labs, and with me today is Jingxi, our founder and CEO. We would like to talk about many of the collaboration efforts going underway during our development phase at this point. Many of the markets that we would like to collaborate with include the academic research community, clinical lab community, healthcare systems, and healthcare providers, as well as biotech and pharmaceuticals. And so, with that said, I will pass it to Jingxi to talk about many of the markets that we would like to collaborate with.
At Genoxus, we serve a diverse community of people working to unlock answers hidden in genetic data. That includes patients and families searching for the root causes of unexplained symptoms, healthcare providers who want deeper insights from genomic testing, and researchers advancing discoveries in precision medicine. Our platform helps analyze whole genome and exosome sequencing data to reveal genetic variants and the potential disease associations that traditional tests may miss. By connecting patients, clinicians, and researchers through better interpretation of genomic data, we aim to accelerate diagnosis, improve care decisions, and support new scientific discoveries that can ultimately transform how genetic conditions are understood and treated. Within our organization, our goal is to ensure that complex genomic data is meaningful and accessible to families and patients rather than just the specialists. While we are in our beta testing phase, we are offering families and patients a structured, easy-to-read interpretation report at no cost. In exchange, we need their help to refine our platform. We invite you to join this collaborative effort by voluntarily submitting your VCF files for us to process on our platform as we build the next generation of accessible genomics. Rest assured that we manage all information with strict security standards and HIPAA compliance to ensure your data remains confidential and protected. Be among the first to experience our developing platform and help shape the future of genomic interpretation through early access. Genoxus also works with patient advocacy organizations and family networks because we share the same mission, helping families find answers to complex and rare genetic conditions. Together, we want to make genomic information more understandable and useful by supporting educational resources for rare disease communities and co-developing tools and reporting formats that are designed around real patient needs. During our beta phase, we are inviting families who already have raw genomic data, such as VCF files, to voluntarily share them so we can generate a clear, easy-to-read interpretation report at no cost, while also helping us refine and improve our platform. We are HIPAA compliant and will ensure personal data security at all times. By participating, we empower families to take a more active role in research while helping identify opportunities to connect communities with translational research that can accelerate new discoveries, diagnosis, and potential treatments. Genoxus wants to work with academics and translational researchers because we believe important discoveries happens when clinical insights, patient data, and research innovation come together. Our platform is designed to help researchers access structured genomic insights from real-world data while also making complex genetic information easier to interpret and analyze. By collaborating with research teams, we can support studies that explore new disease association, validate potential biomarkers, and accelerate translational pathways from discovery to clinical impact. Ultimately, our goal is to help researchers unlock the full value of genomic data while connecting their work to the patient communities who need answers most. Genoxus works with clinical labs because we share the same commitment to turning high-quality genomic data into insights that truly help patients and clinicians. While lab generate incredible value in sequencing data, we focus on helping transform that complex information into clear, structured interpretations that are easier to understand and use. By collaborating with clinical labs, we can expand the value of existing genomic data, improve interpretation workflows, and support better downstream insights for research and patient care. Together, we can help ensure that genomic data being generated every day leads to a more meaningful discoveries, improved diagnostics, and better outcomes for patients. Healthcare providers are often the ones guiding patients through some of the most complex and uncertain diagnostic journeys. Our goal is to support physicians by helping translate complex genomic data into clear, more structured insights that are easier to review and incorporate into clinical decision making. By working together with healthcare system and providers, we can help bridge the gap between advanced genomic sequencing and practical clinical understanding. We also aim to complement existing diagnostic workflows by providing accessible interpretation tools that support rather than replace the expertise of medical professionals. Ultimately, we want to help clinicians provide patients with more informed answers while advancing the role of genomics in everyday healthcare. Biotech and pharmaceutical companies play a critical role in turning scientific discoveries into real therapies for patients. Our goal is to support that work by helping connect genomic data and patients' insights that may reveal new disease mechanisms, therapeutic targets, or biomarkers. By collaborating with biotech and pharma partners, we can help accelerate translational research and support more precise approaches to drug discovery and development. We are also interested in exploring responsible data collaboration opportunities that can help validate findings and expand the understanding of complex diseases. Ultimately, we want to help ensure that genomic data contributes to next generation of precision medicine and more effective treatments for patients. At Genoxus, we created a nonprofit arm because we believe access to deep genomic insight should empower better health outcomes, not just increase data and complexity. Our nonprofit initiative help bridge the gap between raw genetic information and meaningful answers for individuals, families, patient advocates, clinicians, and researchers who are searching for clarity beyond what traditional tests provide. We want to collaborate with patient advocacy groups, healthcare providers, research institutes, and other mission-aligned organizations that are focused on understanding genetic conditions and advancing precision medicine. By working together, we make genomic interpretation more actionable, accelerate discovery, and open new doors for diagnosis and care that can transform lives. Ultimately, this nonprofit effort fuels impact, so more people benefit from insights that could change the course of their health journey.